Hello guys, what's up and welcome to back another new video. My name is Amir Muawia. So in this video we are discussing about Haier Convection Microwave Oven. About this review in 2026 honesty test and cooking demo with. So please before start this video I will humble request you please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos. So we are daily uploading a best video at our YouTube channel. So please subscribe that. So let's start that video. Hello everyone. Today we are going to review the Haier Convection Microwave Oven HI and is course. So if you are planning to buy a microwave or upgrade your kitchen appliance, this video will be very helpful for you. So in this video I will cover design, future performance, pro and con, and real use experience. So make sure you watch till end that video because I will I also give you your final verdict. So my name is Amir Muawia. Let's start that video. So this microwave come with premium. This microwave come with premium black glass finish that give a modern and stylish look for your kitchens. So on the front you will get a digital display to touch control panel. On the front you will digital so on the front you will digital glass, touch glass, and still look for your kitchen. So display, touch control, these are the windmill and glass. On the side you will get a sandwich steel colors. So this build quality feels solid and the door opens smoothly. So this quality I can explain everything. So don't wait a minute guys, I can open this. So build feel sold and more inside. So the microwave has open capacity of 28 liter. So they is stable for both small and medium size film rise. A strong power is offer multiple cooking model. You will get microwave, grill and convection function because of the convention phase. You are also big item like cake, pizza and cooking easily. Now let's talk about the future. Key feature is come with auto cook menu with very helpful for beginner. Microwave automatically set the time and temperature. This is also click for future safety. The different function work quickly and effectively. Timer and temperature control feel accurate. So I hope so that video is helpful for you. So please subscribe my YouTube channel